Shoveling snow can be more complex than it seems, requiring the right equipment, techniques, and precautions. Start by wearing proper boots and wool socks for warmth and traction, and choose an ergonomic shovel that suits your height to minimize back strain. It's advisable to push rather than lift the snow, using a smaller blade and a non-stick surface to ease the task. Dress in layers to stay warm without overheating, and remember to stretch before starting to prevent injuries. Use sand or salt for traction on slippery surfaces, maintain good posture while lifting, and avoid twisting your body to prevent back injuries. Clear deep snow gradually, take breaks, and stay hydrated, as shoveling can be physically demanding. If you feel pain, stop immediately, and consider enjoying a warm drink afterward. Aim to shovel snow soon after it falls to prevent it from compacting, making the job easier.